Hi, it's me, Deepa Siddiqui. I'm from your Elite Mathematics Tutoring Service, and I'm back with another video, which is question number 10. Let y is equals to f of t be a solution to the differential equation dy over dt is equals to ky, where k is a constant. Values of f for selected values of t are given in the table above. Which of the following is an expression for f of t? So we have the expression given, we have the values given, we have to decide which is an expression for f of t if for the t values are given and f of t values are also given. This is the differential equation. We have dy over dt is equals to ky. Now what is the general equation for it? Alright. So for the solution for the dy over dt is equals to ky, the solution is mostly y is equals to CEKT. Alright. Now begin the solution. Alright. So f of 0 is equals to 4. In the table given, f of 0 is equals to 4. Alright. So which means that y is equals to 4, and because the resultant of the equation is 4, so y is the output, which is the resultant, so which is equals to 4. CE will remain same. CE K t will be 0, so it will be 0. Alright, so 4 equals to C E naught. E naught is equals to 1. Alright, because k times 0 is 0, so E naught is equals to 1. So eventually C is equals to 4. Alright. Now we have the second value, which is f of 2 is equals to 12. As per the table, f of 2 is equals to 12. So f of 2 will be 12, means that y is equals to CEKT. Y is equals to CEKT, which is the general solution of the differential equation given in the question. CEKT. Y will be 12 because the f of 2 is 12. F of 2 equation is 12. F of 2 equation is equals to 12. CE in place of t will be 2. So it will be 2k. Alright. And in place of c it will be 4 because c is equals to 4 as we have solved earlier. So 4e 2k is equals to 12. Now 12 and 4 will get cancelled each other. So it will be 3 is equals to E2k. Alright. Now apply the log in both of the side. So log on both of sides. On both of sides. So it will be ln 3 and the power will be 2k ln e. 2k ln e. Ln e is equals to 1, so it will be 2k equals to ln 3. Now we have to find the constant we have, which is k. So to solve k, we have k equals to ln 3 over 2. ln 3 over 2, 2 which is 1 over 2 ln 3. 1 over 2 ln 3. Now we will see the value of k in the solutions we have to see if the solution of the equation actually matches or not. All right. So k is equals to 1 over 2 ln 3. Let's see, we have 4e k. So this will be 1 over 2 ln 3 in a answer. K is equals to 1 over 2 ln 3. All right. So the equation was y is equals to CEKT, which is the solution, right? So y will remain same because that is the output part. C will be 4, E, K will be 1 over 2 or T over 2 because it's KT. So T over 2 ln 3. So this is our answer of the question we have. Y is equals to 4e. Y is equals to 4e T over 2 ln 3. Y is equals to 4e T over 2 ln 3, and we will see this in the options we have. So y is equals to 4e T over 2 ln 3. I hope you have understood. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.